on, beautiful veggie fam? Welcome back. And if this is your first time stopping by and you just so happen to like this video or any of my recipes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday and Wednesday, possibly another one sneaked in between, and I will be doing live streams every Friday where I do Q&As, chit chats, and all that good stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a super duper easy, simple green curry. This is going to be spicy and super yummy, so let's get veggie. Oh, and I almost forgot to introduce my sous chef for today. This is Mia, my little 4-year-old. She will be helping us out today. So quickly before we get into the cooking, I wanted to mention today's video sponsor. It is Ironwood. I will put the link down below, and they were nice enough to send me this beautiful cutting board. It is made out of acacia wood, I think it's pronounced. I might be totally wrong, but you guys can check it out for yourself, and then maybe you know how to pronounce it. So yeah, this is this cutting board. I absolutely love a few things about it. Actually, it has handles, so you could actually use it like as a serving platter. When I first got it, I actually was using it as like a laptop table, like on my lap while I sit down and do my work on my lap, and as like a little desk. That's what I was using it for. But it is great as a cutting board, which is what it's supposed to be used for, of course. But yeah, it has many uses. Again, I will link it down below. It's super lightweight compared to my bamboo cutting board, which is another thing that I absolutely love because I love to carry around my cutting boards. So check them out down below. Thanks again to Ironwood for sponsoring this video. It's actually the same company that sponsored the video when I did the salad bowl, which I also love. So good stuff they have. And yeah, go ahead and check them out if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Good job. All right, so we started off this recipe. Hang on, not yet. We started off this recipe by adding about a tablespoon of vegetable oil into our pan. And I'm going to put this at a medium-high heat. Nope, the onion's going first. About a medium-high heat. And hang on, wait for it to get a little bit hot first. So Mia's just adding in our onions to our oil carefully. All right.
It's getting hot. Ah.
It is. Do it higher so you don't get too close. So we're just gonna let our onions become slightly translucent.
Oh, that was good already.
Yeah.
Can I do it?
Sure. Careful, careful, careful. No, not up. Just sideways. And I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle on a tiny bit of salt and pepper because, as usual, I like to season every layer. All right. Let me see. Thank you. All right. So that looks about right. So next thing we're gonna do is add in our curry paste. Be careful, Mia. This is gonna get hot, okay?
Can I do
or
that?
spicy for your eyes.
Can I do that?
You can put it, but then you have to move over because it's gonna get spicy. So we're adding our green curry paste at this moment. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of the stuff because I like it really spicy. And this is green curry paste, and it is by Mary. And I actually bought this at the Asian market, and this one is actually vegan because a lot of the green curry paste that you buy at the store will have fish sauce. Fish sauce. Not yet, not yet. But this one has no artificial preservatives or colors or no added MSG. All right, so now that our curry paste is nice and kind of like mixed in with our onions, we're gonna go ahead and start adding in our coconut milk. And I just like to add the coconut milk kind of like a little bit at a time and mix it up so that we don't get any like weird, oh, God bless you, cover your mouth, baby. And then we're just gonna, I just like to add it in, like I said, slowly.
Oh, good, it's off.
And I can put the heat up a little bit again.
It doesn't look so good.
There we go.
It doesn't look so good.
It doesn't look so good, but it tastes so yummy. All right,
oh, it got over.
So this is, like Mia just said, it doesn't look so good. It doesn't. Green curry just doesn't look all that appetizing, but it tastes so good. We're also, yeah, go ahead. We're going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of broccoli florets. And we're also going to add a cup of mixed veggies. I'm using frozen.
Like
No, you can leave it like that. It's fine.
I got this.
Frozen mixed veggies. And then we're also going to add half a cup of, no, I'm sorry, not half a cup, half a can of chickpeas that have been rinsed and drained. I'm sorry, I meant to say rinse and drained, but I had to fight back a sneeze because the curry paste is actually really spicy and it comes up into the air and you could actually really smell it. Okay, and we're also going to be adding in, I'm going to do, oh, cover your mouth please, 2 teaspoons of sugar.
It's really spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, the spice is like in your nose.
And it makes you sneeze.
It does make you sneeze. So,
Oh, it's always floating.
so today Mia decided, I actually bring this back up to a medium-high heat. So today Mia decided that I was going to do her hair so she could come out in the video and look even cuter. And she says to me, no, Mom, I don't want you to do my hair because I just want to be myself. I'm like, okay. How can you fight with a little 4-year-old telling you, no, I want to leave my hair like this because I just want to be myself. So I'm like, cool. I respect that. All right, you do that. I'm also going to do a sprinkling of salt and pepper. Actually, I'm not going to do salt. So I'm not going to do salt. I'm actually going to do, whoops, like a splash of soy sauce. Go ahead, toss it in there. Instead of salt. The full recipe will be linked down below with the actual measurements and all of that.
Oh, it's popping. It's popping.
For stuff like this, I like to eyeball it because I've already kind of like worked out the measurements. But if you guys are interested in getting full measurements, the link is down below. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and then I'm going to let it simmer for about like 5 or 10 minutes or until our veggies are nice and tender. So we have been cooking or simmering for about 10 minutes and we're ready to serve this up. I'm just going to pour it semi-carefully into my bowl over rice. And if you like to eat a lot of this stuff like myself, then this will actually be enough for 2 servings. But if you eat it with a lot of rice next to it, then it'll actually give you...
I want this work tonight.
Hang on, baby. Then it'll actually give you more like 3 servings. But I like a lot of this stuff, so I like to go with the generous 2 serving size. So it's time for the taste test cam, and this stuff is blazing hot. But I'm going in for it anyways. Here we go. Mmm. Woo! Mmm. Yes, please. This stuff is so good. So I absolutely love this stuff. It's so, so good. So simple. So easy to make. This is one of those super fast dinner recipes that you just like, oh, what do I make? What do I make? You just whip this up super quickly. And then you have yourself an enjoyable, quick dish. I also like to use instant white rice. So you prep the instant white rice while you're making your quick curry. And then you have your meal in like less than 15 minutes. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video so other people can see how delicious vegan food can be. Also, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And we will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
So, this is not